Here we go with problem 18, an SAT problem. It says at a certain college, the number of freshmen is 3 times the number of seniors. All right, right from that, let's start with that. The number of freshmen is, so I'm going to use F for freshman. Number of freshmen is equal to 3 times S, the number of seniors. So if there's like 20 seniors, that means there's 60 freshmen. There's 3 times as many freshmen as there are the number of seniors. Is 3 times the number of seniors. The number of freshmen is 3 times the number of seniors. So we just translate the language right off the bat. Now it says if a fourth of the freshmen and a third of the seniors attend a football game, what fraction of the total number of freshmen and seniors attends the game? So let's think. I got a fourth of the freshmen. So I got a fourth of all freshmen and a third of the seniors. So plus a third of the seniors. That's how many are at the game. A third of the seniors and a fourth of the freshmen. Well, let's wait a second here. The number of freshmen is the same as 3 times the number of seniors. I'm always taught that whenever I'm trying to deal with this, I can't combine F and S's. But if I could get them all to be the same variable, then I'm going to get somewhere. So if F is the same as 3S, I can just come in here, erase that F, and say, hey, that's 3S over 1, really. So what I have here is 3/4 of an S. A fourth of the freshmen is the same as 3/4 of the seniors, plus a third of the seniors. Now if I go ahead and add 3/4 and 1/3, you get a common denominator of 12. I better do that for you. Common denominator of 12 here. 4 times what gave me 12? 3. So I got to multiply the top by 3. So in other words, 3/4 is the same as 9/12. I changed this into 12ths. Well, what'd you multiply the 3 by to get 12? 4. So I multiply the top by 4. A third is exact same as 4/12. So 9/12 plus 4/12, that's going to give me, I'm going to write it over here, 13/12 of the seniors. That's literally the amount of people we have at the game. 13/12 of the total senior class. So if the seniors happen to be just 12 kids, we have 13/12 of 12, we'd have 13 people at that ball game. We now know an expression with just the S's of how many are at the ball game. But it wants to know what fractional part, what fraction of the total number of freshmen and seniors attends the game. So we have this amount out of how many are at the game. Well, I got freshmen and seniors. So that's basically 13/12 out of, here's my freshmen, plus seniors. Well, I need that to all be one thing. Since I have this in S, here's our total number. This is the total number of people, total number of freshmen and seniors that are at the college. There might be 100 freshmen, and then there'd obviously, well, don't worry about that. So here's what we have. Freshman is the same as 3S. So I want everything in terms of S, so that F is the same as 3S. So if I just replace that with 3S, the total number of freshmen and seniors at the college is the same as 4 times how many ever seniors there are. So I have 13/12 at the ball game out of this 4S. Now if you remember, this is just over 1. Now to get it all as one thing, I'm going to change the division to multiplication and flip the bottom there. So what we have is we're literally going to multiply by the reciprocal of the bottom, which is 1 over 4S. So that's what we've done here. Now, notice the S's are going to cancel. 13 times 1 is 13. 12 times 4, 48. The answer is 13/48. So we know the total number of freshmen and seniors attends the game. The fractional part that attended the game, 13/48. Little tricky. You just got to sort of translate the language and think it through a little bit. So anyway, problem 18, 13/48 will be your answer.